Hello my dear students, welcome to our SS video class. As you know, we already completed PA1 syllabus and PA1 exams also. In that PA1 exam, you have 40 marks paper of MCQs. I hope you all did very good job there. So, today onwards we are going to do term 1 syllabus starting now. Chapter 3, as you know, in that syllabus, chapter 3, chapter 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is in our term 1 syllabus. Okay, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all chapters are in our PA term 1 syllabus. So, today's chapter is chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is our earth structure, relief and motions. हमारा अर्थ कैसे बनी है, वो क्या क्या है उसमें और उसका मोशंस कैसे चलता है, ये हम आज रीड करेंगे. ओके, दिस चैप्टर इज़ हैविंग मैनी रिविजन्स. इसमें हम जो भी पढ़ते हैं वो ऑलरेडी हम पढ़े हुए हैं. कुछ पार्ट ग्लोब हमने पढ़ा है, हाँ, और लिथोस्फीयर पढ़ा है, मैप हमने पढ़ा है, पॉलिटिकल मैप हमने पढ़ा है, हाँ, और कॉन्टिनेंट्स के बारे में कुछ हमें पता है. सो in this chapter we are going to learn about our earth structure, relief and motions. What is our first activity? Before starting our chapter we are going to read this chapter. पहले हम ये चैप्टर को रीड करते हैं. ओके, जैसे आपको मालूम है, जैसे हम चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, चैप्टर रीड करते हैं. चैप्टर नंबर 3, our earth structure, relief and motions. Okay, globe. A globe is a model of our earth which is not perfectly round in shape. The earth is spherical in shape like a orange. I read this much now. Now next one is I am going to read here. When we observe a globe, we notice that the earth is round in shape, but it is slightly flattened at both the poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, I read chapter number 19, globe, this part. Now I am going to read here. See, this I am going to read now. Do you know? The equator is the largest horizontal line on the globe which divides the globe into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay, now come to the reading. I am going to read now this part. Structure of the earth according to the, listen, structure of the earth. I am going to read now this part. According to the scientists, the earth is a planet, a part of the sun which cooled down over millions of years ago. Only the outer upper surface of the earth is hard and uneven. The interior of the earth is still very hot, molten and gaseous. There are three layers of earth. They are crust, mantle and core. So I read this part. Now I am going to read this part. Okay, now I am going to read this part. Whenever I am reading, you have to open your textbook and you have to follow that reading. कहाँ से मैं रीडिंग कर रही हूँ वो सभी आपको फिंगर रखते हुए रीड करते रहना है. The crust of the earth. Look at the given picture of the interior part of the earth. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth made up of rocks above the mantle. Okay, now turn the page number 20. पेज नंबर 20 में मैं अभी सॉरी, ये सारा मैं अभी रीड करने वाली हूँ. विच वन आई एम गोइंग टू रीड नाउ. दिस इज, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड. Structure of the earth, interior part of the earth. The uppermost thin, hard, uneven layer of the earth is called a crust. The rigged outer part of the earth consists the crust, and upper mantle is called lithosphere. Uneven upper crust has a different landscapes, mountains, plateaus, hills, vast plains, desert, rivers, lakes, deep oceans, etc. Okay, now come to this side. Now I am going to read this much. Did you know Mount Everest 8,848 meter of the Himalayas is the highest mountain peak in the world. Mantle of the earth, the middle interior molten area of the earth is known as the mantle. It comprises of hot, dense, silicate rocks. Some interior part is made up of molten rocky material. Now I am going to read this part. Children, you have to keep your finger on this part. Core of the earth. The interior most central part of the earth is called the core, which is hard and extremely hot. Map. A map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of a land or a sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. Now, do you know I am going to read this part now. Do you know a book containing map is called an atlas? As we know, the earth is spherical in shape. It is not possible to see the whole world at a time or easy to carry a globe everywhere. So we use maps to represent the different landforms of the earth. The whole earth can be shown represented on a paper in the form of a map. Now come to the page number 21. Now come to the page number 21. I am going to read this much part now. A physical map. We use different types of maps. Look at the physical map. Physical map of India. A sketch is rough drawing of a place. We can see mountains, rivers, deserts, and plains clearly shown in the physical map. Generally, brown color is used to show mountains and blue color shows water bodies on a map or a globe. Next part I am going to read now. This political map. A political map helps to show political boundaries, name of countries, major cities, etc. When we hang a map, the north direction remains at the top. So the directions help to locate places on a map or a globe. Let us get to know about the continents and the oceans. Continents and oceans, a main huge continuous landmass is called a continent. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. A great or a large water body bigger than a sea is known as an ocean. There are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic or a Southern Ocean. This is page number 21 reading. Okay, now come to the Now come to the page number 22. Page number 22, this is the picture of our कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड ओशियंस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पे हमारा 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड ओशियंस का पिक्चर आपको दिया गया है। यूरोप, अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अंटार्कटिका। ओके, सी एंड C is also given there. So now I am going to read this part of your chapter. आपके चैप्टर का this part, page number 22. Name of the continents and oceans. Continents. First continents: Asia, largest continent; Europe, Africa, dark continent; North America, South America, Australia, smallest continent, and Antarctica, frozen continent. Okay, this I read now. Now I am going to read Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean named after a country, Arctic Ocean, smallest ocean, Antarctic or a southern ocean. This I am read now. Now come to the, this is going to read now. This I am going to read now. Island. An isolated piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. For example, Greenland. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. Directions. There are 4 main cardinal points or main directions: east, west, north and south. In the map, the topmost part of a map is always north direction. Now, page number 23. Page number 23, I am going to read this part now. North, north, south, east, west. Direction help us to find place and reading maps. Fact: the earth moves fast from west to east once in 24 hours. That is why we feel observe the sun moving from the east to west. In reality, the sun does not move. It is the earth that moves. Magnetic compass. The magnetic compass looks like a watch. The needle of the magnetic compass always points towards the north. So, one can easily guess other directions too. This is our magnetic compass. This is magnetic compass. Now I am going to read this part. Now I am going to read this part. The magnetic compass is generally used by the pilots, sailors to know the directions accurately. Motions of the earth. The earth is not stationary. There are 2 types of motions or movements of the earth: A. Rotation, B. Revolution. A. Rotation of the earth rotates like a top on its own axis from the west to east in about 24 hours. Next one. I am going to read this one now. Day and night occurs on the earth due to the rotation of the earth. So, this movement of the earth is also called the daily motion of the earth. That half of the earth which faces the sun has. Page number 25. Everyone turn the page number 25. I am going to read this one now. Day and the remaining half does not face the sun has a night. B. Revolution of the earth. The revolution of the earth is the movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit elliptic path in 1 year 365 1/4 days. This movement of the earth is also called the annual motion of the earth. It causes changes in seasons on the earth. See, this is picture of, in between center sun is there. Our earth is rotating around the sun, so it causes the seasons. Quick review, everyone. Now I am going to read quick review. First, a globe is the model of the earth. Second one, the earth has a 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. Fourth one, the uppermost layer of the earth called crust is uneven, hard and thin, having different landscapes. Fifth one, there are 5 oceans and 7 continents. Sixth, there are 4 cardinal points in a map: east, west, north and south. A magnetic compass helps to know the directions. Next, on a map, the top represents the north direction. The earth rotates once in 24 hours on its axis. This causes day and night. The earth revolves around the sun in 365.14 days. This causes changes in seasons. Okay, dear children, this is our reading. You have to read this chapter and underline hard words yourself. While you are reading, if you get any hard word, you have to underline that hard words and practice yourself. I am also going to give you a hard words. So today's homework is, you have to read the chapter and underline the hard words in your textbook only. Okay, take care. Bye bye.